Hi, this is Yoga Dad coming to you from Mu Nai in beautiful Vietnam. I'm here to give you a quick introduction as to why you need to be doing yoga. So forget any notion of what you think yoga is. Forget the notion that yoga is about twisting yourself into some pretzel-like position and training yourself to get your toes up your nose and out of your ear. It's not that. It's not what you see in the magazines. It's not just about beautiful young women in bikinis contorting into all these circus-like postures. As someone who studied the ancient teachings of yoga and the Yoga Sutras, which were written about 300 years BC, I can tell you that actually yoga is about the mind. Yoga is about understanding what it means to be a human being, understanding how to live in a human body, and to refine that, to become a master of inhabiting a human body, a human mind, a human life. It's about connecting, it's about awareness, it's about knowing what's going on in your body, noticing where you've got tension, where you've got dull pains, where you've got acute pains, where you might have imbalance. Because imbalance is really important, because imbalance goes on to create a lot of the chronic problems we have as blokes, particularly backache. That can be a big problem for us blokes. I suffered from sciatica, shooting pains down my leg for nearly 10 years. So every chiro, osteo, physio, you can imagine, not one of them could solve my sciatica, my chronic back problems. I was resigned to having back problems the rest of my life. I don't have them anymore. Not since I started doing yoga about 12 years ago. So yoga's about connecting. It's about knowing what's going on in your body. It's about trying to create or rebalance the different parts of your body. It's about noticing the biofeedback, noticing what your heart's doing, how your digestive system is feeling. Really becoming an expert on paying attention to what your body's trying to tell you. It's about connecting with your breath, becoming friends with your breath and learning to use your breath as a way to cultivate particular states of your nervous system, particularly what we call the parasympathetic state. You can actually use your breath to self-regulate, to actually trigger different stress responses, or non-stress responses, we should really say, within your body. We can really become a master of connecting with our breath, of paying attention to our breath and cultivating a really smooth, steady, calm breathing rhythm that's going to really serve you well in the long term. And yoga is about connecting to the mind. What kind of thoughts are you having? What kind of feelings are you having? Are they the same kind of thoughts and feelings that you've been having every day for the last 20 or 30 years? Are they thoughts and feelings that you think serve you well? Are they creating the life and the feelings that you want to create? Notice when you have irritated thoughts. Notice when you have fed up thoughts. Notice when you have happy thoughts, content thoughts. But notice the patterns of thoughts, not every single thought for sure, but just notice the general underlying kind of thoughts that you're having and ask yourself, are they going to create the reality that you want to have? And if not, do something about it. Nip them in the bud. Start inserting different thoughts. Thoughts of gratitude. Start setting different intentions for how you want to feel about things. Not intentions that you want $1 million or a massive house or a new truck or any of those things. I'm not going to promise any material wealth. What I will promise is that I can help train you about how you want to feel about money, how you want to feel about your house, how you want to feel about your life, how you feel about your kids, how you feel about your wife. That's really what this practice does. It helps you change the way you respond to your world, change the way you respond to your body, change the way you respond to your mind. And that is guaranteed. That you can definitely do. That is absolutely 100% within your reach, just with a little bit of practice. And that's what Yoga Dad's about. It's about helping dads, or anyone else who wants to watch really. I'm not going to exclude anyone else, but this particular series is aimed at dads trying to find health, wellness, strength, balance, and a certain level of ease in their life, a certain level of contentment within their lives. Because life is short, if you haven't noticed. It goes really quickly. So now is the time to start living how you want to do. Now is the time to start feeling good about your life. Now is the time to work towards a better life, better movement, better breathing, better thinking, better feeling, better loving, better living. This is Yoga Dad, signing out for another time.